Talk about how can you fix this problem on your Tandem app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here, then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, so you just go down here, you keep going down, then you click here on apps. So when you click here on apps, it's going to take you to this list or apps list here. So just switching to open video like this, then here can you looking for Tandem app or just add it here on search. So add here Tandem here, so then it's going to show for you like this, click on it, then it's going to take you to next step. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list, click here on full stop, then you click here on OK. So then you go down, click here on storage, come to storage list here, click here on clear cache. Then all you have to do, just restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.